This is Dr. Philip Galinsky. I got a brand new patient over here. She told me a really cool story about how her body's performed. Her name is, can I mention your name? Okay, Susan Stephen over here. And so she came in because she's been to another chiropractor before. She had tell me about your problems.
I had plantar fasciitis. I could hardly walk. I was considering changing jobs because I cannot walk.
On a feet all day, plantar fasciitis, that's that thing on the bottom of your feet, and you can't, it feels like hot coals when you walk. Right? Can't hardly walk.
Yeah.
Hurts a lot, right? So she went to another chiropractor, and did it help you?
No.
What'd they work on?
The plantar fasciitis.
Because it makes sense. You got a problem in your foot?
Yeah.
Let's work on the feet. And I said, you know what? Embryologically speaking, when you're like 3 or 4 or 5 weeks old in the uterus, that thing separates. The top portion at the bottom of the skull where the atlas is, and the bottom portions of your feet comes from the same area. So what did I tell you? Let's try the neck. We took an x-ray of her neck. Did the x-ray look good or not look good on the neck?
No, it
Didn't look good. So what we did was we adjusted the neck. What happened to the feet?
It improved.
How much, Spy?
First day by 20% immediately.
Okay.
And how many? It has gotten better. Right now it feels like it's better by about 80%.
And you're still standing? You haven't changed your job, right?
No.
How many visits have you been here for?
This is my 3rd visit.
3rd visit.
Yeah.
3rd visit, and she's got 80% improvement of your feet.
And I'm smiling. I wasn't smiling when I
No, she wasn't. She was. I didn't think she had a smile at all. But now she's. But have we touched your feet yet?
No.
Did we rub your feet?
No.
Did we put muscle stimulation on your feet?
No.
Did we leave your feet alone?
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't touch her feet because this is where the cause of the problem was. So chiropractors, patients out there, if you're not adjusting the spine, because the brain is the communication wire, the big telephone pole between here and the rest of the parts of the body. If you forget about this and just chase symptoms, you're nothing but a guy that's performing physical medicine. Be a chiropractor, open up the nerve channels, and you'll see what happens to the body. Thank you, guys.